Let's see how to place stop-loss and iceberg orders using Nubra APIs. First, open the Nubra API documentation. Navigate to the Guides and Examples section. Scroll to Order Placement and Execution. Select Place Order. Scroll down to view the example code for different order types. We'll start with a stop-loss order. Before placing the order, I'm opening the UAT orders page so we can see the current state. Now return to the documentation page and copy the stop-loss order example. Paste the code into your editor. You can modify the order parameters according to your requirements. In this example, we are using the UAT environment. If you want to place the same order in the live market, simply change UAT to prod. Now enable environment credentials. No other code changes are required. Run the script. The order response is displayed in the terminal. Let's open the UAT orders section. We can see that the stop loss order has been placed successfully. The same script will place a real order when executed in the prod environment. Now let's move to the iceberg order example. Copy the iceberg order code and paste it into your editor. Here you can configure values such as total quantity and leg size. Other parameters can also be adjusted depending on your trading requirements. Enable environment credentials. Run the script. Now open the UAT orders terminal. We can see that the iceberg order has been placed successfully using the Nubra API. This is how stop loss and iceberg orders can be placed programmatically. Thanks for watching.